to my channel. It's me, Anastasia from LOL Dolls and Toys Forever. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel because this is going to be an amazing video. So you have to stay tuned. Okay, so I went to Target. I just came back. And I've got 5 great toys that I will be opening with you guys today. So basically, it's going to be an unboxing video. As you see, I went to Target. And I also got Starbucks, so I know, don't judge me. But yeah, so as you saw in the beginning, I have, if you saw in the beginning, a Barbie doll, fashionista. So I actually just saw this one and I was like, this is, I think, really cute because I love her shirt. And then she has a little bracelet, and oh my god, look at her shoes. Like, that is just like amazing. So she'd go perfect with my other Barbie dolls. And comment down below a name for her. What do you guys think? I'm not sure what it will be yet, but you guys comment down below. So then I have Twisty Pets. So I've been wanting these for a long time. Basically, if you don't know what they are, you you twist these into like a bracelet. You like pull them and twist them or something, and you can put them back into the pet. So they're like, they can transform basically, and these are babies, and it has a little charm of, I think, a bottle. And as you can see on the back, you can put it, you pull the head and the tail, and then you can connect them, hang them on backpacks or something. They come with this gem case, and that's really exciting to open. So that's gonna be soon. Then I bought 3 little things. So I got first this mushy cup and cakes. Basically, if you don't know what that is, it's like, I guess, a squishy. I've never opened them before, and today is the day, and you'll see. So it'll be really exciting. And then this, just Pick Me Pop dummies. I haven't opened one either because I was saving, I just wanted to open one soon with some other stuff. So today's the day. And then I got an LOL little, and I'm really excited for this. Comment down below if you're excited. So let's start the video. Wait, I'm gonna get my scissors. I might need those. Oh, no way. Okay, so first thing I'm going to be opening is, I know the shapes of them, so I don't want to mix them around. So this and this, I tell what it is, or this and this. So I'm just gonna open this mushy first. So let's start. So I'm actually gonna set up the camera here. Okay, well, mushy first. So I'm gonna open this up randomly, and yeah. So let's get started with that. I guess I'm just gonna peel it around. Okay, I have to figure out something on top or something to see how this thing actually opens, because it's not really. Oh, okay. I got it. That's why I need scissors for a living. And the container is pink. Wow. just like ripping plastic off, so that's why you don't see anything. Okay, so, oh my god. Okay, so this is it, and it's all plastic. So I'm not gonna show you the front yet because I just saw it accidentally. So this is what it looks like. It says extra whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles, mini marshmallows, and oh my god, the front. Oh my god, this is hot cocoa. I don't know if that's the name or anything. So let's try it. Opening this now. I'm really excited. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay. So first there's a bottle, a mini tiny bottle, and it looks just like the big one, the cap and everything, and there's something inside it. I don't know what this is. There's two of them. I'll put that back. I'll probably find out what it is later. If not, comment down below what do you think it is. Yeah, no. Okay, now, oh my gosh, so we got something in here. Surprise bestie. So I think I'm gonna find. Should I find the bestie first or the thing? I'm just gonna do the bestie first. Okay, so let's cut it open. And 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. What is this? It's so cute. Oh my gosh, it has like sprinkles and it's really squishy. There's something in the middle though. But that's okay. It smells good. I don't know if it's supposed to smell, but it literally smells like hot cocoa. Okay, now time for the big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh, MG guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy. I love this. I love it so much. Okay, so got this and this, so let's see what's in here now. So we got the name tag of like what its name is, I guess. And then this thing on the bottom, just this random thing. It's a so I thought it was just random paper on the bottom, but it's actually a sticker. And I think it's scented. Don't judge me, but I think it's scented. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna see what's here. Okay. Let me open this, guys, and then I'll check on you guys. So here's the list. So it's squishy mushy. Okay, so let's see who I got. Oh my gosh. So I got her right here. Molly, Mare, and Sarah Sprinkle Pop. Okay, that is just adorable. So it's a series 4. I guess this is normal because this is rare and then this is ultra rare and everything else is just like, it looks really normal. So and then there's this little word thing on the back. Make a little story. I love this so much. So, yeah. Yes, I love this so much. So, let's go to unbox something else now.